Good afternoon, people. I'm Dr. Rajesh. There is a specific question asked by Dr. Rajesh Tungenva uh, in the group Complete Repertory Clinical Cases on Facebook regarding Complete Repertory and its options in the software Complete Dynamics. One specific question is which chapter contains how many drugs in Complete Dynamics? That is to say, how many number of drugs in mind chapter or head or any other chapter is present, number of rubrics, sub-rubrics in each chapter, and he has stated the reasons for knowing it is just out of statistical interest, show that to show the figures to those homeopathic friends who use only mind or other particular chapter of repertorization. So this he wants this to be added to the software, and it will be of a great help, he has said. So all that has been asked could not be either seen maybe, but I try to explain as much as possible to what he has asked for. This is the software Complete Dynamics, and if you go to the book module, you can see uh, what it contains is Complete Repertory composed by Roger Van Zandvoortser, and the program is done by Edward Van Grinsven. There is a new update, 14.8 version is there. I haven't downloaded it yet. Right now what I am using is 14.7 version, that is 2014. There have been 7 updates. So let us come to the point. This is the user interface, or this is the outlay of the software as such. I would say one of the most user friendly and most simplest one. Simple yet sophisticated. If you want to browse through a particular chapter, for example, let us say mind, you can click here, it will go to mind, or else you have one more option. You can go into this Vitruvian man's photograph that has been given. It is labeled with all the names. You can click over this also, you will go there. There's one option, that is you can jump to it by using the option here or here. There is one more, is there view in that in the book module. Here you can go to this. There are shortcuts available also for it. If you want to use it, you can use it. For example, this one, since this is Mac, shift command and M, if this is pressed, you can directly go to mine. If I click here, this goes to mine. This one single operation can be performed with one functionality can be performed with 3 different options. So that one is there. Next thing is, here you can see R. What is R is, if you are browsing through the rubrics, you see here alternating states, mind alternating states. You can also see abrupt anaerobic, synthetic acid, all those things. When you click this, what happens? All those remedies goes off. You see number of remedies present in it as such. In the particular rubric, mind alternating states, there are 350 remedies as such. You can see those remedies also. And what is this 1, 2, 3, 4? That is according to gradation. If you want to see only those remedies which has highest grade, that is 4 marks, you can click over this. So you will see these many number of remedies which are highest grade, and there are 324 more remedies. So earlier we saw there were 350. That is to say, 26 remedies are there which are of highest grade in this particular rubric. That is one thing. There is also something like you can click over the space bar in your computer. When you click the space bar, that goes off, and again when you click, it comes off. That is one more function, or to say it is a shortcut or a tip. So that one is there. Next, let us go to the question proper that he has asked. The question that is being asked is how many rubrics are present in mind chapter. For that, what we'll do is we'll select the chapter mind here. Just by selecting it, it won't say. So we'll do mind here. Now you can see 28,018 rubrics here in the result, that is here it states that there are 28,118 rubrics are there. So this is the number of rubrics that are present. But then here is something which you have seen, minimum grade, a minimum grade of 1, that is what this is. Previously I have explained you this. This one is all remedies can be seen. This is remedies with grade 2 and above can be seen. This is remedies with grade 3 and above that can be seen. This is, of course, that is a last relation, grade 4 can be seen. So next to that there are minimum rubric size. So 0 is already the predefined number. We will do it as 1, so it changes to 24,276 rubrics. So earlier when it was 0 it was 28,018. Now it has changed to 24,276. So what were those missing? Though 0 is, if 0 is the criteria, it is 28,000. If 1 is the criteria, it is 24,276. So rest of them are nothing but the cross references to particular rubrics, which doesn't contain any remedy, but they are cross referred to some other. For example, there is fluttering sensation in abdomen, someone says to you. So let us search for that actually. Abdomen fluttering. Here abdomen fluttering is there. It doesn't show anything in brackets. Let's go there. It doesn't have any remedies listed in it. That is, trembling is the one that you have to look for. So that is a cross reference. It again has further cross references. This is an abdomen. You can look into generalities trembling, generalities trembling internal lower, generalis trembling sensation as such. These things are all there. So that is the one that are missing. So some people ask, this is cheating or not? It's not cheating. This is the logic that has to be understood by the reason gifted minds. Again go to the chapter here, find fields. You will see mind, and then what I will do is I will type 6, minimum number of remedies 6, and maximum let us say 600. So the result is 5085. That is to say, those rubrics which contain a minimum of 6 remedies and a maximum of 600 remedies are shown here. Where can I find all the number of remedies that are present in each section? That was also one of the questions asked by him. By default it is 9,999, and this is 0 for the viewing of everything. So here mind general. So totally in mind section there are 1610 remedies. That is how we can know. Similarly, if you want to see in head chapter, head in general is not there, so you can't go into see the number of remedies present in it. What about abdomen? Abdomen general. So in the abdomen chapter, the number of remedies that are seen are 1381. So that is answered.